Hi and welcome in this short puzzle tutorial. I'm Angelos and today I'd like to train your tactical skills. In the diagram position we can see that it's white's turn. Please pause the video and try to find the best move for white. If we give a check on g5, this is a very natural move. After that the king can go on h8 and there is no realistic chance to checkmate him. For example, if we can jump with the rook on h7, this is a checkmate, but we cannot do it, because the bishop on g7 is block the rank. So if we go back, we can think another move, another brilliant move, a tactical blow, and this is queen to h6. This is a check. The king cannot capture the queen because the knight from f7 protects the queens, so black have only one move to capture the queen with the bishop. Now comes the final part of the combination, and this is knight to g5. This is a double check because the knight and the rook attack the king. In double checks, we need to move the king. For example, we cannot capture the knight because the rook continue attack the king. We cannot block the check from g7, the rook's check, because the knight still attacks the king. So we have to move away, and the only available square is on h8. Why? Because the bishop from b3 protects and controls the g8 square. Please remember that good players look all over the board. And the final move is rook to h7. This is a checkmate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much for your watching and please rate it. Click the thumbs up button. You are very welcome to leave a comment and I'll be happy to reply to you. All the best. Bye bye.